Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to the video explanation class of Math for Mathematics. In last online session we have started the chapter number 8, Introduction to Algebra. Today in this video we are going to see how can we solve question number 2 and question number 3 from exercise 8.1. This is your mathematics teacher Sir Nasir. Let us start with today's work. Before we begin, I would like you to pause the video and revise the properties which we studied last time. These are the six properties which are very important, and this will help us to solve the question number 2 and question number 3 of exercise 8.1. Moving on to the exercise. Exercise 8.1 is given on page number 48 of the textbook, and its question number 2 is name the property used in each of the following equation. Here we have to look at the question and identify the type of the property which is used in this particular mathematical sentence. As on our screen we can see the first mathematical sentence is 7 plus 10 is equal to 10 plus 7. The sentence indicates that while addition, the sequence of the number does not matter. We can add in any sequence. Such a property is commutative property of addition. Such a statement is of a commutative property of statements. So you'll have to look at the property. You have to try to identify it is similar to which property. We have seen ample of examples of all the properties. We have a journal equation also of commutative property of addition, which is given on page number 47, as well as in your last screen. This is the journal equation of commutative property. It's like a plus b is equal to b plus a, which is similar to as of a question 7 plus 10 is equal to 10 plus 7. So for answer you have to write commutative property of addition. Now let us move on to another question, which is question number F of your textbook. 3 bracket 9 minus 5 is equal to 3 multiplied by 9 minus 3 multiplied by 5. This is indicating that the 3 is getting multiplied with both the numbers inside the bracket. Okay, and the numbers inside the bracket are getting subtracted with each other. The 9 and 5 is getting subtracted and the outer number 3 is getting multiplied with them. Such a property is indicated by the distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. The 3 is multiplying and inside the bracket subtraction is taking place. So this property is distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Once you revise all the properties well and you understand all the properties well, it won't be difficult for you to identify the property. Now let us move on to the next question, question number 3. Question number 3 of exercise 8.1 is to complete the given sentence. We have been given a incomplete sentence and we need to complete it as per the properties we have studied. Part A is 5 multiplied by dash is equal to 7 multiplied by 5. What number should be present in the blank over here in order to make the sentence true? This is a mathematical sentence and we need to complete the blank in order to make it true. For it to be true, the blank should contain 7. Why? Because as per the commutative property of addition, the sequence of number in multiplication does not matter. For the commutative property of multiplication, as per the commutative property of multiplication, the sequence of the number during multiplication does not matter. So 5 multiplied by 7 is equal to 7 multiplied by 5. You will take the help of the property and then you will able to find the number which is missing from the blank. Similarly, we have part E. Part E is 7 plus 8 plus dash is equal to 7 plus 8 plus 3. The sentence over here has both the two sides, and from the left hand side we have 7 plus 8 which is inside the bracket, and then we are adding it with a number we don't know. Then on the right hand side we have 7 plus 8 plus 3. Here the brackets on 8 plus 3 indicates that 8 plus 3 is getting added first. Here the bracket on 7 and 8 indicates that 7 and 8 are getting added first. Okay, so the number which is missing over here will be, we will be able to find it by looking at the right hand side. If you look at the right hand side, the third number which is getting added with 7 and 8 is 3. Okay, and this is fulfilling the property of associative property of addition. This is associative property of addition, which states that during addition of three numbers, we can add any two numbers first and then add it with the third number. Okay, so the missing number from the blank is 3. Similarly, you can revise all the properties and try to solve the remaining questions. Okay, I hope the video was useful. Take care and Allah Hafiz.